Hey you guys, it's Wednesday. I didn't do a video on Friday because the customer didn't want me to film anything in his shop. I was actually working inside his shop, basically getting an engine ready for their engine swing. I had to pull the front structure off, rear structure, air compressor, fuel pump, shit like that, get it all installed on their new engine that they just bought online. After that, I ended up taking the rest of the day off. I took a few of my nieces out to a place called Fossil Rim. It's like a safari you can drive through. They got emus, you can feed the animals and shit like that. It was fun. Monday, I had a clusterfuck up in this with my laptop and my Nexic. They weren't doing what they were supposed to do. My Nexic is totally trashed. So I got a new one that should be here later today. Which sucks because I have an ECM to go install today. Yesterday I had a bunch of doctor's appointments and shit. So I haven't done a video in a few days. This one's gonna go up. I have thought about doing a tour of my truck. It's a fucking mess right now. But we will get that in the works somehow, some way. I think that'd be pretty fucking cool. I like to see other people's service trucks and how they're set up too. So I'm gonna go in here. I'm at the shop right now. We're running inside and let's find this ECM that came in yesterday. See if we can go get that put on here in just a few. I'm probably gonna have to borrow somebody else's Nexic because mine is toast. And if that all goes well, then I can head out to Waxahachie and update some computer modules. I think we got 6 trucks left. I did 2 of them successfully. Then my Nexic started screwing up, and I didn't want to push it. I didn't want to end up breaking a module because my shit wasn't connected right. So y'all stay tuned. I'll bring y'all back whenever we got something. Oh, the engine swing from Friday, I talked to the customer yesterday afternoon, and they want me to come pick up the engine and just take it home with me. So y'all will get to see that. I'm bringing an ISB engine home. So after I get done out in Weatherford, I gotta go grab a tarp so we can get this fucking engine covered up because it's been raining all day yesterday. It's supposed to rain all day today. And yeah, so y'all stay tuned. Alright y'all, here it is. This is the new PCI, ECM, whatever you want to call it. I've got the old one already removed inside. The customer doesn't want me recording in their shop, so I'm going to go ahead and get this thing put on and then hopefully go pick up that engine. So y'all stay tuned. Alright guys, I'm almost at home right now. Finished up for the day. I got that PCI programmed. I wish I could have recorded that shit. That was a lot of good information in that that I would have had for today. Got it programmed and we had a bunch of TCM codes. The TCM, it's a Packard transmission TX12. And it was throwing codes for rail position, multiple codes for multiple rails. Found out that Packard and what's called the back office had made some changes, and those changes weren't capable or able to be made in this type of transmission. The newer ones it can be made in, but this one it just can't do it. So I was able to revert it back to the original programming. Got it fixed up, and then it was throwing a code for PTO number 2 request and position. So I went in there and disabled PTO number 2 because they only had one PTO. Got all the codes cleared out. Unit started right up and was running smooth. Nothing wrong with it after that. Went to the shop, had to turn the ECM in for a warranty exchange, warranty cord. Got that shit done, and now I'm on my way home. I got my new Nexic. It arrived today at the house, so I'm about to pick that baby up. It's a USB Link 3, which is the newest one available. I've always used the USB Link 2 since it came out, but now this 3 is out. I had to get one. It's only $800 and some odd, but you know, shit happens. Company's paying for it anyways. So I'm pulling up to the house right now. Tomorrow we got some programming to do on some trucks, and a truck down south with ABS issues. So we're going to take care of the ABS issues first, and then go and program those other units. So y'all see me tomorrow. I'm gonna get my ass inside, get this video edited, and then go to sleep. I'm fucking tired. Y'all have a good one.